Okay, so we will add more examples to it. So in multi-shader, we saw only one. Now we'll add more. Okay, so we'll see what we have done. We can copy again few files. Okay, so it's all right. Now okay, so we have kind of a car. So we'll add few things like material dot diffuse. So material dot diffuse would be taken care, I believe. So I think it's okay. We'll try once, then we'll add few more things. And what about the lighting we have placed externally? Okay, so this lighting diffuse is 0.2. We'll add a specular. Okay, not bad. Okay, so not bad. So we'll add more to it. So we have one loco and we will kind of start at some 6 and minus 10, and then we will have another loco that will start at minus 6, same at minus 10, and it will be loco 3. Okay, now it is multi-lighting and a multi-shader. So we have two cars. So lighting, I think a little bit we can increase. Default lighting what we are seeing, so that someone can look at it. So light position is okay. We'll make it kind of 3. Okay, probably it is more visible. And now we have 2 cabs and they have lighting. Now if I rotate the cab, 3 lightings are changing accordingly. And I'll rotate the another cab also. So this is the light we are receiving through default. We have one default light source and through that we are receiving. So if I rotate this, it will place light on another car. Okay, so okay, it will put light on this car. If I rotate, then it will push light here. Okay, we can see that the wheels should rotate. That is the idea. So clearly wheels are rotating as per okay, so if I again wheels completely rotated. Okay, so both cars are moving. Okay, so this is multi-lighting and multi-shader. So we have two items and now they are kind of okay, so we can simulate like on a road they are moving like this. Wheels are rotating. Okay, so now we can add kind of more to it. So whatever we have now is, so we'll make it kind of some 7. So it will be really far. And I have one aeroplane. Okay, so that I shall add. So I'll name it as loco 3. And here it will be shader and obj file equal to plane air dot. This is the name of the obj file. Okay, and it would be transformed at center only and kind of some 4. Okay, so no fixed transformation we are giving. So that much. Now we can add kind of it's a specular component. So material dot specular equal to some 0.3 so it will shine in red if it shines. Okay, and material dot diffuse, that anyway it will be whatever it is, or we can, okay, so it takes from texture.png. If it is not there, then it will crib. Okay, so we'll name it as loco 4 or air 2, and we'll add air 2 here. We'll copy plane air dot obj here and plane air material here. Plane air material needs texture.png, so I'm hoping that it would crib. Okay, so texture.png it is asking. Now if I open the plane air.mtl file and we see the texture.png, it looks that in taker demir. So we can kind of replace it whatever we want. So plane air, so we will kind of override it and then we'll say like material dot diffuse equal to, okay, and it will be kind of yellow color, whatever it is. Okay, so material diffuse, okay, now air 2 is added. We'll try again. Oh, okay. So we can see that aeroplane has arrived. So I think we can increase the gap, loco 2, and we'll make it something like 9, and here also some 9. Okay, now we have aeroplane that we can see, and then we have cars. So this car I can move. Okay, and I can rotate. Okay, so Mr. Aeroplane is getting light through one of the car. Okay, reddish shining can be seen little bit, it's coming. Okay, I can make prominent, but I believe it's all right. Okay, so ready to move. So it is moving through the car light. Okay, so car light is gone, so it is not visible. So I'll bring the car light, I can kind of so that it can show. Okay, so we can add as many things what we want. So this is kind of okay, so we have not tested our this car. Okay, now I can bring back the kind of aeroplane. Okay, it would increase the lighting if I rotate this guy. I think it's visible. Now light is more on the aeroplane, and aeroplane can land safely. Okay, so that is the concept. So we'll see it's showing the kind of okay, so this car would move now. Okay, so framework is generated. So this machine is not a high power machine, it's a very low end machine. So still we are able to do this much, as we are not using kind of, everything is highly kind of optimized. Okay, shining component little bit we can try more, whatever we see in the aeroplane. So we'll make it kind of 1 so that red should appear. We'll try. Okay, I believe it is more prominent red now. Red is more prominent. So we are getting kind of a shining component also, and so shining is, red shining is visible. Okay, so this is how it is. So we can make it fly in our direction. So Mr. Plane would rotate now, somewhere in the middle of the tree. Okay, so it should get light, so I can rotate this guy. Okay, so this is how it is getting. It is coming in car, another car's headlight. Okay, so there are three light sources now, 2 car and 1 light source that we are not seeing, that is from kind of external light source. And because of that light source only we are getting light, like if I rotate this car that direction, then okay, so, and this car also in some weird direction, and this car also some weird direction, still we are getting some light. So that is the one light source that we have, and other 2 light sources are through the car headlight. Okay, so if I rotate this car headlight, so they would kind of shine each other. Okay, spot angle is also is tested. We can try spot angle. So I'll open the loco, and this is the, so spot angle we can make kind of, if we are testing, then we can make it really very small, kind of 2 degree. Okay, now if I rotate this car, then it would give a spot only, okay, that we can see very, so I can little bit tilt this, I can make it near the plane. Okay, so 2 degree is, I believe it is very less, so that's why we are not able. We will try if plane can receive something. and then I can make okay. So this much only it is able to make. So I can, if I tilt this, or I can move it up, you can see this is spotlight. So this is the car light, but it is only 2-degree angle that we can see on the aeroplane. So, and there is one light in the car. So 2 lights are there only for show, but we are using only one light. So car is showing only 2-degree of the angle. So this is the spot angle, and as obvious we can increase the spot angle. Okay, so this kind of this framework is local framework. We have not copied from anywhere. Okay, now now it is bigger, so we can see. Now if I rotate the plane, we can see the lighting. Okay, so this is about multi-texturing. We are using so many textures, and multi-lighting, and lighting, now multi-light with all its, now we can see reddish shininess, we see the spot angle, and then we can see moving lights. Okay, so multiple light, moving light. The third light, what we are not able to see, that is directional light, and these are positional light from the car. Okay, so we have used less angle. So whatever the light we see in the plane, that is from the third angle. Otherwise, no one stops us to illuminate that.